In today's video, I am going to teach you how to repeat tasks in Microsoft Planner. Repeating tasks are useful when you have work that happens on a regular schedule, like daily check-ins, weekly reviews, or recurring planning activities. Instead of creating the same task again and again, Microsoft Planner can automatically repeat it for you, which saves time and helps you stay consistent. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan called Project Management. This is the plan where your team tasks and buckets are organized. Once you are in the plan, stay on the board view so you can see your task cards laid out clearly. Next, locate the task named Identify Goals and Objectives and click on it. This opens the Task Details panel, where you can edit settings like the title, notes, due date, and more. This is also where the Repeat option lives, so you can turn a one-time task into a recurring one. In the Task Details panel, find and click on Repeat. This will show you the recurrence settings for that task. By default, many tasks are set to a one-time schedule, so you may see the option listed as Does Not Repeat. Click on Does Not Repeat to open the list of repeat choices. This menu lets you pick how often the task should come back. For this walkthrough, select Daily. Choosing Daily means that Planner will generate the task again on a daily cycle, based on the schedule Planner uses for repeating tasks. This is a good choice for work that must be completed every day, and it reduces the risk of forgetting to recreate the task manually. After you select Daily, look back at the task details to confirm that the repeat setting now reflects your selection. You should see that the task is now set to repeat, rather than showing Does Not Repeat. This quick check helps you avoid closing the panel before the setting is applied. Finally, click on the highlighted area shown in the interface to finish out and return to your board view. This will leave you back in your plan, with the repeat option saved on that task. That covers everything you need to know.